I'm Steve Fellis, I'm Director of Swiss Energy. Today we're doing a small PV only installation in Washington. It's a horrible day outside, we did hope to have some sun, but we're going to take some pictures of the lads loading the van up, etc. Then we're going to see you back on site.
As you can see, we keep a large selection of tiles in our warehouse and ensure we've got a watertight roof. And here the lads are loading our one mobile scaffold on the van. It's a lovely all black panel that we're fitting in, ensure it looks really good on the roof. Just a small view of the guys leaving our unit now, where we're based in Washington, and then we'll see you after the job. First task we do when we're on the roof is we measure out and find the rafters so we can locate where the roof hooks are going. Here the lads have removed the tiles, ready to grind them on the scaffold there, and ensure the bedding properly once the hooks. Here we've got Ben and Michael, and Karen also fitting the hooks, and now we're showing the rails that we're using a Renisol mounting system because it's a very strong roof mounting system, but it's also very good to work with. And now the guys are pulling the DC cables in underneath the tile and underneath an overlap of a felt, and then now they're off in the first panel of the rails. Once we get a few panels in, we keep them on the roof till the stack to get them level, then we tighten them in using the Renisol mid and end clamps. Once we get the final panel in place, we then go around and put the rail off to the correct shot size. And normally we'd spray these black, so we're getting all black finish to the rail. However, with it being wet on this particular day, we'll have to come back and do that another time. Here the guys are now fitting the bird exclusion system, so it consists of a metal hoop that's fixed to the panels and then a metal bird exclusion. Here we've got Adam fitting a Fox inverter internally on the electrical, the meter and the rotary isolator. And finally outside for a view of the guys doing the other area on the other wing of the gondola there, and we've got wood preventing any damage to the sun house below. As I say, the guys did really well today in the horrible weather we had, and ensuring we got the job complete in one day.